All right, and welcome back to another episode of Andrew's Garage. Now, I kind of jumped forward a little bit here in the videos, but basically, once I had the whole entire car assembled, as far as motor, transmission, and front fenders, core support, all attached to the body, I rolled it outside, took some pictures of it, got it back inside, removed the motor and transmission that night, front fenders and core support. The next morning, I got the body all unbolted, and by that afternoon, had some people come over and help me, and we pulled the whole body off again for the last time. So it was kind of jump forward. Didn't really get any video footage of it, but this is me getting this guy kind of set up a little sideways so I can start welding underneath. And yes, I think it's perfectly safe. But yeah, she's up. I can work on it finally, weld up the inner rockers, and finish out the floorboards. So that's the main point of it. I think I'm going to start on this firewall, grind down my overlap a little bit, finish weld this out all the way down, and yeah, start working on everything else. We're getting close to getting it direct to metal primer epoxied underneath and getting it undercoated. I've done a lot of work. Pretty much everything is welded up under here. I got to do a little bit back here where I built the small box. But other than that, it is complete. So I'm gonna start working on that and see if I can't get that buttoned up pretty quick. And I'll go ahead and start the prep work for the direct to metal primer. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna stop this video at. I figured I'd separate this video from the primer and undercoat section and clear coat. I figured I'd make that all in one shot. But basically this is just me finishing up the last piece of the tunnel, and everything's looking good underneath. But I appreciate you tuning in and watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week for the next episode of Andrew.